Okay, guys, quick video on this Beta 390. This is a 2024 I bought leftover, a brand new 390 RS. And I did hear rumors that this tail section was weak and definitely tested it yesterday. It started to snap off. So you can see where it's failing. The whole thing folded forward and was catching, it was like sitting real far forward and catching on the tire. I heard a funny noise. I stopped, luckily in time. And I found some tape on a post, like, survey tape, and I tied it on so it wouldn't fall off, and then it just had to leave the trail and go home. But you can see where this whole thing just bounced, cracked. That's where the bolts went through. There was, for some reason, they bolted it up down here and didn't use the upper bolt holes. If they had used, the upper bolt holes and the lower, I think it may have held up better. Well, definitely. So my theory is to reduce weight on the tail. I'm going to do some surgery. Here's my theory. I'm going to cut this piece off, straight off, or clean as I can, and leave as much plastic so I can bolt through. Then I'm going to bolt these upper screw holes. You see these uppers? Well, actually, here they are. They're these socket ones. And those I'm going to go through these upper holes, and I'm going to put large plated washers on the rear. That's not that sturdy there, but I'll put like literally washers that cover that whole area. So 2 of those. Then I'm going to probably go right through the license plate cover, and just this tidbit of leftover plastic that I save, I'll barely be able to have a piece there. I'll put a 3rd screw in. So I'll sandwich this in. Now, what I'm also going to do is just reduce weight on this plastic. This weight, I'll be losing this piece for weight, so it won't be bouncing off the tail, and I'm going to cut this thing way down. So my plate, in a sense, I'll put it on backwards, but I guess it doesn't matter if you see my plate, but I'm going to push it all the way up, kissing the light there, and then I will cut off all plastic unnecessary. So I'm going to cut off this. I might even V it upward. When I say V it upward, I'm going to cut this lower piece off. I'm going to cut up so that I have 4 bolts in the plate. Plate will be pushed all the way up here. These holes will be not used anymore. I'll be drilling holes here, here, and here, and here, cutting all this piece off, getting rid of this reflector added weight. So hopefully I'll reduce a whole bunch of weight on this thing bouncing, so it'll cut down on the stress on the tail. So this thing will be elevated upward a little higher, which I don't care, which is good. It'd be further away from the tire. I'll have less plastic hanging off. I'll have this gone, a hunk of this gone, the other reflector, the other one already snapped off. But I'm also putting in a warranty claim because I still have warranty. So I'm going to try to get a whole new tail section where this is intact, and then I'll just, if I need to redo it again, I'll cut off and leave myself a little more plastic so I can get 4 bolts in. But I think this will probably cover it for now. I mean, I could get a tidy section, but that kind of pisses me off. They got to spend whatever it is, 80 to 150 bucks to get a tail tidy when this really should suffice. Anyway, hopefully that helps you guys. Again, 2024 leftover Beta 390 RS. Tail sections come apart pretty easily, unfortunately. All right, hope that helps. Surgery, I will give you the play-by-play once I do the surgery. Thanks. Appreciate it. Likes and subscribes.